Hey my foodie friends and family, welcome back. Today we're going to do a quick and easy dish my mother used to call hash, but you can call it whatever you like. It's delicious and quick and simple. When you have some leftover ground meat in the fridge and you don't know what to do, this is what you do. In a skillet, I've heated up 2 teaspoons of oil. I'm using olive. You can certainly use canola. I would stay away from the monounsaturated fats like corn and coconut and all those. They're just not as healthy as you think. There's a reason why the folks in the Mediterranean live long, because it's all the olive oil and fish oils they eat. But you do whatever you like is best. I'm adding 1 chopped onion, and I'm just going to get that sizzling, and we want the onion to get soft and translucent and to release all its sugars and flavors. So there's the onion sizzling now. We're going to add 2 pounds of ground meat. In this instance, I'm using beef, but you can certainly use a mixture of beef and pork and veal if you like. It's also good with ground chicken and ground turkey, and it's also good with the vegetable ground meat. It works just as well. So we want to break up those 2 pounds of meat into little pieces. We don't want any really big clumps in our hash. As this starts cooking, you're going to be able to break this up a little easier. It was just cold out of the fridge, so it's kind of a shock to throw it into a hot pan, and then it kind of sticks together. So we have mostly broken up. Now we're going to start adding some seasonings. Well, we're going to add some salt and pepper. If you want your hash spicy, this would be the time to add some cayenne or some hot sauce, whatever you prefer. The heat level is certainly up to you. I've told you many times that I'm a wimp and I don't like heat too much, so to me it's kind of plain. My mother would never have made it spicy, so this is her recipe, but you can certainly change it up. That makes it your special dish. I've added a dash of Maggi. And you see that the meat is nice and browned. It's not cooked all the way through yet, but close. We're going to add some browning, a teaspoon. You can use kitchen bouquet or any kind of browning that works for you. The browning gives whatever sauce or gravy that comes from this dish a beautiful, rich brown color. People looking at it will think you've spent all day making gravy. And all you did was add a little bit of browning to the liquid. Here I've got 2 beef stock cubes that I've dissolved in 2 cups of water. My mother always had Knorr beef stock cubes or chicken stock cubes in the cupboard, so whenever she was making some kind of sauce or gravy, that was the go-to for her. So we're bringing that up to a boil, and we're going to simmer for about 20 minutes or so until we're sure that all the meat is cooked and the gravy has thickened and it starts looking absolutely delicious. I can't wait. I'm getting hungry looking at this again. There it is finished. Doesn't it look good? Oh my God, it's so beautifully rich and brown. You think you spent all day making this. Your family will be so impressed, or your significant other, or whoever. So there it is finished. It's ready to be served on rice. My favorite is on pasta. It's almost like a spaghetti sauce, but without tomato. So you can use any pasta, any rice. If you want to take this further, you could certainly add beans and spices and make chili. You could add some tomato and make pasta sauce. It's all very versatile. If you like the recipe, I would love it if you'd subscribe to the channel. We just love foodies here. Thanks for stopping by for some more food that warms your soul and mine too. See you next time.